Want to benefit from price differences between pairs? Our market arbitrage tool is your way to go. Prices between pairs can be different due to supply and demand. The result of this is that you can make use of those price differences by quickly trading between pairs. Example: if you trade from Bitcoin to Ethereum to Litecoin and back to Bitcoin, you sometimes can make small profits due to the price differences. Let's set up your market arbitrage bot. Create a new hopper. Select Arbitrage. Select and connect your exchange. We're going to exercise, so we're going to simulate our training. Select Paper Trading if you want to exercise, otherwise fill in your API keys. Deposit the base currency, or in other words, the currency you want to trade from. We're going to form a stable currency, so our profits stay stable and don't depend on the price of BTC. Let's go to your settings to configure some basic settings. Configure the amount your hopper can use. Select the coins that your hopper can do its arbitrage with. If your hopper isn't fast enough, you can sometimes get stuck with certain coins. Think if you want to select every coin, or only coins with high volumes and that you fundamentally want to invest in as well. Configure the minimum profit. This should be more than the transaction fees cost. If your transaction fees are 0.2% per trade, you should configure 0.6%. Click Save and go back to your dashboard. You see the balances now here. Click Reset Start Balances so your hopper knows exactly how much profit or loss you've made. Check your output and your market arbitrage results, so check if your hopper is actively searching. Have fun!